Alright, today's math lesson, March 20th, is lesson 8.9, related addition and subtraction. So we're going to be making the connection between our addition problem and a subtraction problem to check our work. So how can we use our 100 chart to show the relationship between addition and subtraction? So this is what our 100 chart looks like. And the first problem wants us to use this 100 chart to solve the problems. Again, the problems are listed down here at the very bottom in blue for the parents for you to read. So I still circle and box and all of that since these down here are your word problem. So we want to use cubes to solve those. Okay, so read the following problem. Trevor collects 38 acorns. He collects 10 more acorns. So we're boxing more because that usually tells us that we're going to add those together. How many acorns does Trevor have now? So we do know we're going to be adding those two numbers together. Okay, so we have 38. Zoom back out. 38 plus 10 more. So for my students, you know that if you go straight down, that's going to be 10 more. If you go straight up, it's going to be 10 less. If you go to the right, that's 1 more. If you go to the left, that's 1 less. So we're starting right here at 38. So we're going to find that number 38, and then 10 more, we would just go straight down, and our answer would be 48. When we add that vertically, as you can see, 8 plus 0 is 8, 3 plus 1 is 4, so we still get 48. The same as when we go straight down on our 100 chart. Okay. The next question reads, Trevor has 48 acorns. He gives 10 acorns to his brother. So we've learned in class that when we give, we are losing the number that we have. So that's a minus. So we're going to be subtracting. How many acorns does Trevor have now? So we are starting with 48 acorns. Okay, so now we're starting here at the 48. If we take away those 10, we have not learned how to do this in class yet, but 8 minus 0, if you take that away, you're going to be left with 8. 4 minus 1 leaves you with 3. So vertically, that's how you can solve it. But as far as our 100 chart goes, if we're starting at 48 and we take away 10, then we want to go up 1. And that's going to leave us at 38. So 38 plus 10 got us to 48. 48 minus 10 gets us back to 38. Okay, so this next problem has another 100 chart, and it says use to find the sum and difference. So start at 29. So they've colored that blue. We're starting at 29, and we want to count on by 4 tens. So that means going down because it changes by 10 as we move down. So we're gonna start at 29 and add 40, which would be 4 groups of tens. So we start at 29, we go down 10, 20, 30, 40, and we land on 69. So 29 plus 40 would equal 69. If we wanted to put that vertically, we want to keep practicing doing that vertically. 9 plus 0 is 9. 2 plus 4 is 6. And we still get the same answer as 69. Okay, then it wants you to reverse that and start at 69. So now we're going to start here. Sorry for the mower. That's our neighbor. Start at 69. And now you want to take away 40. So you want to move up the 100 chart to take away those 4 sets of 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40. And we land back on 29. Now, if we were to do that vertically, 69 minus 40. So 9 minus 0 leaves us with 9. 6 minus 4. 6 take away 4 leaves us with 2. Alright. So, you can continue to use this 100 chart for the number 1 and 2 down here at the bottom of the page, and then the next page has another 100 chart you can use for all of those problems. I just suggest using maybe a different color crayon or pen to show your movements when it's a different problem. So if we are going to solve 56 plus 20, all I have is a pink pen. It's not very different from the red, but 56 plus 20, we want to start at 56 and add 20. So 10, 20, and we land on 76. So then if we start at 76, and take away 20. 10, 20. Now we land on 56. The next one, so 48 plus 50. So we're going to start on 48. And then we're going to add 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We landed on 98. So if we reverse that and we start at 98 and take away 50, so starting at 98 and take away 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, we get back to 48. All right, so on the next page, you're just doing the same thing. So you've got this 100 chart. You're going to do 28 plus 60, then 88 minus 60. You've got numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6. They are all asking you to do the exact same thing. Use the 100 chart to show those movements. Then you've got a word problem. But since it's groups of 10, you can still use that 100 chart to show that problem. Numbers 8 and 9 are, again, word problems you can go back to the 100 chart, any of the 100 charts, and use to solve. And finally, number 10, match the math sentence that count on, the sentences that count on and back tens. So the related sentences. So you're going to match the addition sentence with the subtraction sentence that counts back and forward the same amount of tens. If you all have any questions, feel free to reach out and I will be here to help.